if you want to add your own location in Google Maps, simply open up the Google Map and choose the location where you want to enter the particular location or particular business. And this might be a personal location like your personal gym, home, or any place you like to visit, versus a public location, which might be a missing restaurant or a missing hotel. So drop a pin on your designated location simply by holding on that location. Once you've done that, you will see on the right in these blue buttons, you have the option to add a label. You can click on add label to add your own personal label, which might be my fave chilling spot like this, and I can click on done and add my own personal location. This will not be viewable to anyone else on Google. However, if you want to add a public location like a missing restaurant, so if there's a missing restaurant over here, I can mark it and then I can click on add missing place on the bottom. Once you click on add missing place, you can add information about the business and provide the information to Google so they can add a verified place for that particular location. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.